Whoa! Check him, check him, check him.
Dad, you okay? You just got cold.
I should have kept it rolling.
Well, what did you do? You okay, PJ?
No. I just turned my head.
Okay. Okay.
I was gonna go get him.
I ain't laughing at you, I'm laughing at Gary. He just turned his head. Oh, wave at Daddy. Go hi, Daddy. Bring the cassette adapter so we can... Hey, see that? You're back in the tub. You see that tub? Look. No, wait, here. Hold on. Hold on right here. Hold on. No, you can't hold that. I got to pull it there. Back up so you'll fall backwards. There you go. Now. Da. Did you bring the cassette adapter? Oh. Look here. Get it, Gary.
I got it.
Say, woo. I want to go one more time. Where you going? Oh. Go on. He'll slide right on top. He ain't waiting it down. Huh? Okay. Come on. I just hit the top of the hill, maybe, baby. Go. What is it? That's what we're trying for. That's what we're going to slide on. Will it slide? Oh, no, we lost it out there and never did find it.
Try it, Bess. I got you.
It ain't gonna slide.
I got it. Come on, jump on.
It ain't gonna slide, I'm telling you. Not that way, Bessie. Over that way. Let me get that too.
Yeah, put her in there. Hop in, Mommy.
Well, look at mine. Well, I'll twist over and run out of it, PJ. Oh, hell. The wheel in there? No. Judy, they ain't room in here with me. Somebody push me. PJ, don't turn him loose. I'll push her. Maybe. What's the matter? We ain't going nowhere. I lost my clothes.
Roll over.
I can't.
Roll over. I'll hit.
My legs is locked in here.
Push her over, PJ.
Get that off of me. It ain't even filming.
It ain't.
Hey! Come here, get me out. Gary, stop it and get me out. Stop it and get me out. I can't turn it over.
Got you. Got you. Got you.
Oh no! Don't hit in the face. That's like a rock yesterday. Don't turn the baby loose. Come on. Oh, wait. This is hard. This fence can go. They said yesterday not to be throwing snowballs. This is hard shit. Looks like a rock. PJ hit me on the hip when you see nothing like that.
Hey, Beth.
Huh?
Shoot me a bird.
Do what? Oh, we should come over so I can play with it.
Oh, boy. Keep pulling back. Keep pulling in.
And pick up his name.
Keith and them just came up over there, so they made it. I knew the main road would be all right, but
Come me over there.
not me, not me.
Who's over there?
Keith and them just came all the way from Dole Springs, so I know that road's good. It's melting. More traffic on it, all right. But this four-wheel drive's been done. You can't make it past our range, so don't try.
Well, Sammy, we're not going to get... We got after that thing leaking now.
Hop in, baby.
Oh, boy.
Oh, my hands.
Yeah, my gloves, I'm standing still. I'm in, Judy, now.
Hold on to it.
Wait a minute. We're freezing. This is stupid. Us dancing. Oh, no. There's some longer pieces out there. That would have been perfect.
Watch out, PJ.
Oh, God. Come on. Oh, Lord, PJ, I had your camera in my pocket when I went down through there.
You know what?
On you is right. Then the PJ starts squealing before he ever gets started.
Try to keep it straight, because if you don't, it'll...
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mr. Know-it-all sled mobile rider.
Well, you ought to know.
Turn the clarity side down, please. I thought we get our asses in the house before we catch you both. Why'd you squeal? I'm going in. Yeah, the wind's getting up us quick and go in a while. Why does it say index? Oh, look here, baby. Look here, get back with the snowman.
Howard cat.
Will, look here. Wave at me. Will.
Come here, Will.
Let me get away from you.
Look here, Will. Hey, Will. 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 He's going after the dog.
Go back to the snowman.
Come here, Will. Hey, Willie.
Go back to the snowman. Come here, Owen. Come here, Butch.